Hey guys, so the winter FabFitFun box sold out, but lucky for you guys, it's back. And it's actually better because they've added a few new amazing products that you get to choose from. For those of you who don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription box that is full of fun products, everything from beauty to fashion to health, just a fun jewelry, purses, everything you can imagine. And it's all valued over $200, but using my code, you get $10 off, so you'll get this box for $39.99. It's a great deal. So if you guys missed out on the last winter box, sign up now because they go fast. And I'll show you what's in this second winter box. Let's get started. Okay. Lots of fun things here. Let's start with this R&Co shampoo and conditioner, because I'm actually a huge fan of R&Co and I have a lot of their products, and their packaging is just so cool. It always smells good. This is great. And again, it's like what's cool about FabFitFun is they're the actual like sizes. They're not mini versions, so you're getting a lot for your money. Let's just smell this one. This shampoo and conditioner is called Television, and all their products smell so good. Lashes MD eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. It says see instant or initial results in 3 weeks. This is interesting because it's for your lashes and your brows. I haven't tried this. This is a great product. So this bracelet is Adore by Swarovski. There's a little Swarovski crystal in there. It's rose gold. And this is just a great bracelet for stacking. It even has a cute little A there for Adore. And it's a great color. Like, I like to mix all metals, so gold, silver, rose gold, and just stack them on your wrist. This I'm actually really excited about. It's called Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. This might be my new favorite product because we all need to clean our makeup brushes, and normally you have to get it wet, you have to get soap and sponge it, but this is dry. So as you're doing your makeup with your eyeshadows, you just kind of swipe it on here after and it cleans it as you go. And then you just clean this. So this is really cool and it's lightweight. I think every girl needs this in her life. Okay, the next product is this original pink makeup eraser. I actually have one of these and I'm obsessed. I have a red one. Don't have a pink one, and this one's way bigger than mine. You just erase your makeup off. I think you girls will really love this too. This product is called Cuccio Somatology, and it's yoga. Calm and clean Epsom salt hand and body wash with lavender oil. I've never heard of this product or tried it, so it smells really good. And so fun fact, the owner of this is Danielle Cuccio, and she actually has a meditation and yoga channel on FabFitFun TV. So if you guys are members and once you sign up, you'll also be able to be a part of that and check out all of the cool little videos. So this is awesome. Next product is this Prep Rally from the Dry Bar. I'm sure a lot of you out there know what the Dry Bar is. I know I've been there a few times. This is Prime and Prep Detangler, which we all need a good detangler. It's really light, but it's really soft and pretty. And it's Prime and Prep, which is great. So it's not just a detangler. It actually has biotin and vitamins in it and UV blockers. So this is good even if you're going to the beach or on your winter vacation somewhere tropical. I would bring this and have it in my beach bag all the time. So last but not least is this Vue little bag. I mean, you could wear it as a purse or cross it over. You could probably do so many things with this. It's really lightweight and it almost feels waterproof, which is cool. I would probably use this as a makeup bag as well within my big purses, just to organize everything, but this is really great if you're on the go or you just need to run errands, and it's really lightweight, which makes life easier. So again, lots of great products. This is all valued over $200, and if you guys use my code, this is your last chance to get the winter box because it's selling fast, so check it out, sign up, and use my code for $10 off.